Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a workplace injury with Zurich detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your injury immediately after the incident occurs. Seek medical attention to ensure your injury is properly diagnosed and treated. Document the details of the incident, including the time, location, and circumstances surrounding the injury. Report the injury to your supervisor or HR department as soon as possible. Fill out any required incident report forms provided by your employer. Keep copies of all medical records related to your injury. Contact Zurich to initiate your claim process. Gather relevant information, including your policy number and any incident reports. Provide Zurich with all necessary documentation, such as medical invoices and proof of lost wages. Follow up with Zurich regularly to monitor the status of your claim. Work closely with your healthcare provider on a recovery plan that suits your injury. Attend all required medical appointments and follow the treatment recommendations. Communicate with your employer about your recovery progress and any accommodations you may need. Consider physical therapy if recommended by your healthcare provider. Once cleared for work, discuss a gradual return to work plan with your employer. Document any ongoing symptoms or difficulties you experience during your recovery. Reassess your situation regularly and communicate changes to Zurich and your employer promptly. Stay informed about your rights as an injured worker throughout the recovery process. Maintain a positive attitude as you work towards full recovery and returning to work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.